Thank you for joining me. What's up? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. We're out here trying to secure the bags. We're in some profitable trades. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Let's get into this trading. First of all, I want to say thank you. We're out here sniping some beautiful trades. We're in a short. We set this up in the Discord, so don't forget to check that in the description. And we don't want to be like this guy checking the price every 2 seconds. Right, and seeing if the price is moving. We want to have a plan. We want to come in, and right now we're calling into the Otter Gang and asking them to dump it. Shout out to you guys who took the trade today with me. We're out here securing the bags. Now we look at Bitcoin on the daily, and we can see that we've come up, and we've come down, right? So can we get this retracement that everybody's talking about, or are we going to continue to the moon? Well, let's take a look quickly. So we got this, right? This flag, and we'll talk about this trade setup soon, but the S&P, we were talking about it dumping. So it's getting rejected off of this trend line. It seems to be coming down. The Dixie is kind of stagnant, staying flat. It hasn't moved up, which will dump the Bitcoin price. But if we go into the time frames of the daily, we're getting this curvature down. The 2-day has a red dot, but hasn't been confirmed yet. This will give us a better idea when we get the news, right? We're getting news, so this could bring us down further, right? Be ready for some volatility. We love volatility on this channel because guess what? Price going up or down, we're making profits, right? Let's zoom into the 6, right? You can see the flag that we're talking about. Money flow is slowly starting to curve over. We got the VWAP crossing over and back down, which does mean I'm pretty bearish right now. I don't know about you, but I called the Canadians and I said the bears are still out for winter. They're not hibernating. They're here, and they might be here to stay for a bit longer, right? So let's look at this. Let's zoom in a bit more. And let's go with my trade plan and my trade setup right now. And we can see that we're getting a reversal. Maybe we're heading back down. But if I pull up the TA right now, if we get some levels, right? We got these levels here, right? We got these levels, and I was looking at the price chart today on the lower time frames, and I was like, hey guys, I think I see something coming up, right? Because we got this swift move down, this little dump to the bottom of this range, right? We have the bottom of this range, and also we've had these levels marked out from the Fibonacci retracement from swing low to swing high, and it's given us these other levels with volume confluence throughout, right? So we've had these levels for the past couple days, but today, if we zoom in, let's go down to the 30. Let's get really nitty gritty. Let's zoom in and let's turn on today. Today, what we had, wow, bang, look at this. So if I want to make sense of all of this, I'm going to make sense of it for all of you right now, right? So if we go in, let's hide these fibs, right? Let's hide the fibs. That'll clean up our chart. And we can look at, we came up to the top of this volume high of this range, right? And we currently broke out of this flag. So we see the flag here that everybody's been talking about. Maybe we'll go down to the 12 just to expand it a bit more and make it full on the screen here, so we can see that this flag, right? We were working in this flag right here, and then bang, we dropped out of the flag with volume, right? With volume, we turn on the volume. We can see we got a spike of volume down here with volume, right? And we kind of trended sideways. Now everybody's kind of looking for a long here, right? I did take a short scalp long the other day with some leverage. It was all right, but it wasn't as good as today, because today, what did we do? We pulled the fibs from the top of the range to the bottom of the range, and what did we get? Oh, not this one, not that one, but it was from here to here, right? So if I pull it from here to down here, we got this beautiful golden pocket here. Right? Did I get in here? No, because I tallied in from up here. I got in at 057, then I put in a little bit more, and my average out was around 100, as you can see on this trade right here. We got in at an entry price at 103. We wrote it down with a bit of leverage and some good capital, and we made a bit of a profit, right? And that's how we do here. So I know this looks messy to you guys, but if you can see my thoughts, we gave this setup. Now, why were there confluence? You can see the volume profile here also lines up with this beautiful golden pocket that we just pulled, and we've dropped out of this range. So my thoughts and my sentiment becomes bearish because we've dropped out of this flag, right? We come down, I expect a retracement up, and then I expect some sort of continuation down, at least to this to test this major volume low, right? At least to that, right? So right now I'm currently in this short, right? And I'm hoping to hold this short unless we get wicked out. But we do have the stop loss quite tight right now, just in case we do get wicked down. And you know what? This is endless, really. So I've taken about 25% out of the trade. But what I'm looking for is, okay, yes, we broke out of this trend right here, this flag. Bang, we're out. But you see this yellow line? If I remove this red line here, we can see that maybe this is one of those funnel patterns. Those funnels that they used to use when you're in the track meet and you're trying to race each other and someone's just being loud on the damn thing and you're just trying to run. Okay, that's what I was talking about. But yes, this is what I'm talking about. So I have pulled a couple more levels. If I turn on the prices right now, we can see that these are some new levels. This is just a simple golden pocket pulled from the bottom of here up to here, right? Bingo, bango. We got a golden pocket just sitting here at 19.8. But for me, the major levels are the larger Fibonacci. If I zoom out here onto the 2 hour, we can zoom out and we can look at the big deal of this fib pulled from swing low to swing high, which I think will give us better ideas of better levels, right? And you can see that throughout this fib, there's volume and there's these key levels. So make sure you take these down, put them in your charts, and remember to be safe out there, right? Because that's what we're here. We're trying to be safe. We're trying to extract profits, right? We may be saying dump it, but we don't want to be like this guy who said crypto was stressful. I'm 25 and I feel great. Well, really, buddy, you don't look too good, right? So let's try to have good risk management, get to sleep with our trades, locked in profits, and ride them out and see where it takes us, but hopefully to the big money bank where we can cash in, right? So right now I'm in this short. I'm looking for more downside, right? The only thing that would deter me is some rejection from the bottom of this range if we get some big bullish divergence on a higher time frame or anything like that that breaks above this new high here at 21,216. If we somehow come down, form like a double bottom or form some sort of higher high and break through, coming back up into this range here, I think it becomes a bit more bullish, and then we look upwards, right? We look upwards to these levels here that we've had currently marked out from our previous highs. We got golden pockets up here, and we've got a big volume gap right up here. So let's be careful. Let's practice good risk management. Tomorrow for you guys is Friday. I've had my Friday. It's been a great Friday. And thank you for another great week. We're at 105 subscribers. So if you don't mind, let's crank that up just a little bit higher. Maybe we'll get 106 tonight. Mad love and respect for all of you guys. I really appreciate you. Without you, I wouldn't have any purpose here. You know what I mean? So what I'm just trying to do is share my levels, share my ideas, and what we're trying to do is extract some profits from these markets, right? Join us in the Discord because we're out here. We're giving the TA every single day we're out here. We're going to be coming live to you guys. We got a new camera. We're pumped. We're ready. It's 10 o'clock at night right now, and we're going to get back into the charts, and we're going to get back into the Discord and share our thoughts and ideas. Shout out to Sniper's Nightmare. Shout out to Tony Soprano. Shout out to all you guys. Nick, and oh man, the list goes on. Earl, all you guys have made this dream come true. I'm really enjoying this, and I hope you guys are getting some value out of this TA that can hopefully help us make some profits. Shout out to all you guys. I forgot you, Phil, but I didn't forget you. The names are running through my head. Rob the Crypto Snob. All you guys are the best. I really appreciate you. So join us, the Otter Gang. We're in the Discord. Links below. And let's have a good trading day. Friday, baby. Let's get it.